Hey guys, welcome back to our channel at Law. This video is in continuation to our previous video. In this video, we're gonna cover current affairs in between 7th March to 14th March. 8th March 2021, PM Modi inaugurates 7,500th Jan Aushadhi Kendra in Shillong, Meghalaya. Prime Minister Modi has dedicated the 7,500th Jan Aushadhi Kendra to the nation and urged the people of India to buy medicines from the Kendra at affordable and reasonable prices. The central government scheme has proven to be beneficial for the people of poor and middle class families and has also become a medium of employment for them. Wrestler Bajrang Punia regains world number 1 position. The Indian wrestler Bajrang Punia has successfully regained his world number 1 position after winning a second gold medal at Matthew Polycon ranking series. This was also his first competition at an international level since the coronavirus pandemic. He was ranked at the second position in the world ranking before Matthew Polycon ranking series. Switzerland banned full face covering in public places. Burqa ban. Switzerland's government has voted in favor of the proposal which bans full face covering in almost all public places. The covering will only be allowed in places of worship and other sacred sites, but apart from that, the face covering will be banned in all the public places such as public transport, streets, public offices, shops, restaurants. 9th March 2021, India's first forest healing center inaugurated in Ranikhet, Uttarakhand. On 9th March 2021, India's first healing center was inaugurated. It was developed by the research wing of Uttarakhand Forest Department in an area of around 13 acres. The center is based on the concept of healing and revitalizing the overall health and well-being of people by bringing them into direct contact with nature. The forest is inspired by the Japanese technology of forest bathing and ancient Indian tradition. It themed on be silent, go slow, think less, and feel more. Maitri Setu Bridge inaugurated between Bangladesh and India. The Maitri Setu Bridge between the two countries was inaugurated by PM Modi. It has been constructed over the Feni River between Tripura and Bangladesh. Prime Minister also laid the foundation stone and inaugurated various development projects in Tripura. R. Ashwin named ICC's Men's Player of the Month for February. Indian spinner Ravichandran Ashwin was named as the Men's Player of the Month February by R. Ashwin named ICC's Men's Player of the Month February. Indian spinner Ravichandran Ashwin was named as a Men's Player of the Month February by the International Cricket Council ICC on 9th March 2021. England's Tammy Beaumont was named as a Women Player of the Month February. 10th March 2021, Bollywood star Amitabh Bachchan to be conferred with a prestigious award. The Bollywood megastar Amitabh Bachchan on March 19, 2021 will be conferred with the 2021 10th March 2021, Bollywood star Amitabh Bachchan to be conferred with a prestigious award. Bollywood megastar Amitabh Bachchan on 19th March 2021 will be conferred with the 2021 Film Archive Award by International Film Archive Festival at a virtual ceremony. First military exercise in space launched. First military exercise in space launched. France has successfully launched the first military exercise in space. It will help the country in testing its abilities to protect its satellite as well as other defense equipment from other space forces. The exercise has been codenamed Aster X, and the German Space Force and the US Space Force have also been participating in it. 12th March 2021, Maths Physics no longer mandatory for engineering. Students who have not studied mathematics or physics in class 12, two can take admission to undergraduate engineering courses like BTech and BE. This is because the All India Council for Technical Education AICTE has now revised its regulations. In its approval handbook for 2021-2022, the AICTE said that students aspiring to become engineer need not to have physics and mathematics as their core subjects in class 12. The rule will be applicable from the upcoming academic year 2021-2022. So far, for the admission to the engineering courses, these two subjects were compulsory. Students had the option of choosing third subject from chemistry, biotechnology, biology, and technical vocational. But for giving JEE exams, these subjects are compulsory. PM Modi inaugurates Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Prime Minister Modi on 12th March 2021 inaugurated the curtain raiser activities of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav as well as flagged off Padyatra in Gujarat to celebrate 75 years of India's independence. The Mahotsav is a series of events that will take place over the country to commemorate the 75th anniversary of India's independence. Mithali Raj achieves milestone by scoring 10,000 international runs. Mithali Raj has become the first Indian women cricketer as well as the second international women cricketer to score 10,000 international runs across the format. She is the second women cricketer to achieve this milestone after England's Charlotte Edwards. Mithali Raj achieved the milestone during the ongoing third ODI with South Africa. 13th March 2021, Supreme Court Justice Indu Malhotra retired. Justice Indu Malhotra, the first women judge to be elevated direct judges the bar and the seventh women judge to be appointed at a Supreme Court, is set to retire on March 13, 2021. Removal of roadside religious structures in Uttar Pradesh. The Uttar Pradesh government has ordered the removal of all the roadside religious structures on public roads in the state of Uttar Pradesh. The latest order by the government is in compliance with the directions of the High Court, and the Supreme Court had earlier come down heavily on the state government for not ordering the removal of encroachments in public places. Quad Summit 2021. PM Modi virtually attains First Quad Summit 2021. During the first quadrilateral security dialogue, the four leaders, the US, Australia, India, and Japan, called for a free, open, and rule-based Indo-Pacific region that is anchored by democratic values and unconstrained by coercion. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches Kindle version of Bhagavad Gita. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched the Kindle version of Swami Chidbhavananda's Bhagavad Gita via video conferencing. The event has been organized to commemorate the sale of over 5 lakh copies of the Swami Chidbhavanandaji's Bhagavad Gita. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.